Today we're featuring a 2015 Dodge Dart GT. It's got 49,000 miles on it. It's got a clean Carfax report. I'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle with you. We'll start on the driver's side, make our way down. Everything looks really good on the driver's side. Come across the rear of the vehicle here, we do notice that it does have rear backup camera as well. Everything looks really good going down the passenger side. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look on the inside of the vehicle. Alright, door panel's in good shape. Nice perforated insert here with the red trim. It's really nice. Power locks, power doors, power windows. Black leather seating with the red stitching. Power driver's seat. Alright, the leather's in really good shape. Passenger seat's in good shape as well. Alright, this Dodge Dart does come with a key fob. Lay that out for you. Alright, it does have remote start. It is an automatic. Alright, dual climate controls. Nice big touchscreen here with the navigation and backup camera. Alright, I'll turn that on for you in a second. Leather wrapped steering wheel audio controls with Bluetooth. Okay, this Dodge Dart is equipped with push button start. Alright, got your navigation up here on the screen. Alright, nice big screen there. I'll go ahead and engage the backup camera. Alright, that also has a lot of good cool controls on it. Heated seats. Alright, and it's also got a heated steering wheel. Go ahead and give you a shot of the mileage. It's got 49,163 miles on it. Alright, we have the AC going now for about 10 minutes. Everything blowing cold there, no issues. Alright, and I'll go ahead and step out. And we'll take a look at the back seat. Door panel back here's looking good. No issues. The leather back here in the back seat's in good condition. Go ahead and give you the driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. Alright, everything's in really good shape in this Dodge Dart. Been well taken care of. 49,000 miles. Alright, let me go ahead and pop this trunk. Go ahead and check out your trunk space. Carpet's in good shape. Go ahead and step to the side here. Give you an idea of the depth back here. Plenty of room back here. Let me get you another perspective of the back seat here from the other side. As you can see, everything's been well taken care of. Got that cool perforated trim right here with the red underneath with the red stitching. Very nice. Get a shot of the passenger front seat here as well. And as you can see, everything's good condition. Door panel's in good condition as well. Give you a shot of the wheels and tires. 18-inch alloys. Alright, we do notice right here on the alloy just a little curb right here, a little scratching. Alright, tires are in good shape. Alright, plenty of tread left on them. I'll go ahead and step back here and give you a shot of the other tire and wheel as well. Okay, really nice kind of gray polished aluminum alloy. Alright, once again guys, a 2015 Dodge Dart GT, 49,000 miles on it. It's got a clean Carfax. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.